Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Range Rover Sport 5-litre P575 SVR. This Range Rover Sport is finished in the very sleek Estoril Blue and comes sitting on the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the red brake calipers. The black exterior features and privacy glass give the ultimate sporty finish to this vehicle, and every journey is made simple with the blind spot assist and keyless entry. Moving straight inside, we've got some great features on our door card, including the memory seat configuration and Meridian sound system. These are the ebony leather electric front performance seats, and there is a really warm welcome to this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. We've got voice control, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and the steering wheel is heated. Ahead is your driver's display. This vehicle comes with a very well presented 2-screen dashboard. On the bottom screen you can switch between your drive modes. You can also control the heated and cooled front seats, and also your climate controls. And the upper touchscreen features the rear camera, DAB radio, navigation, Bluetooth and much more great features. Allowing you to see the vehicle's capability through the dynamic performance settings. The leather interior continues into the back of the vehicle, and there is a nice amount of foot space for your rear passengers, and the rear vents, which also feature the heated rear seats too. This just ensures your rear passengers are as comfortable as the front. This Range Rover Sport does come with ample boot space, perfect for all your luggage and shopping, and also features the controls for the electronic air suspension on the side, and does feature the powered tailgate too, making access in and out very simple. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this 566 brake horsepower Range Rover Sport SVR, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.